Hello guys, welcome to Droid Crunch and I'm Lakesh Kapoor, and in this video we're going to talk about Droid add-ons for Elementor. Droid add-ons are, wonderful add-ons to beautify website. There are tons of widgets that help you create websites faster by giving you some basic layouts widgets like cards, tables, pricing tables, accordions and all that. They are like 23 plus beautifully crafted add-ons and 73 plus total styles to choose from, and fully free for lifetime. So you can use the free version for lifetime, there are no charges at all. And if you want to access some pro widgets, then you can go for the pro version of Droid add-ons for Elementor. Currently there is a sale running, so you get 40% off if you buy in just 4 days, and otherwise its price will go up. And there might also be some Black Friday deals, so you can stay tuned for that as well. For now, let's quickly see which are the widgets that you're gonna get. And they're like 43 plus widgets with 140 plus free widgets, so there are like hundreds of free widgets. And then if you go with a pro plan, then you get some extra widgets, right? So these are some free widgets like tabs, testimonials, countdown. You can create pricing section and icon box, accordion, FAQ, process, content table, timeline, theme. So there are like tons of widgets. Like this blog grid, you can also use it, but it's in the pro version. And you can also use accordion pro. So some widgets that are also in the free but are in the pro version as pro. So there is a name like accordion pro, testimonial pro, pricing pro. This means that pricing is also there in free version. Okay, and there can also be advanced written before that, right? So this is the widget that I liked in the pro version, like block grid and testimonial pro, CTA and card pro, FAQ pro. So these are all these amazing widgets. So let me show you in my Elementor like how these will look. But before we just dive into that, let's completely see what are the features of this plugin. So you can also create beautifully crafted websites with the pre-made styles, or they call it presets, or we call it presets. In many add-ons we see that there are no templates, but some add-ons offer you some presets or templates that help you in creating websites faster. So like in Divi, that's a builder, but yeah, there are some templates that you can utilize. In Elementor, there are some very basic templates. Even if you go with a pro plan, you don't find some good templates to use, right? And that's the issue arises where you have to search for the templates on ThemeForest or something, or you want to buy the templates, or you want to create a new one from the scratch. Or you can also switch to some add-on that offers some templates, like UAE add-ons like Ultimate Add-on for Elementor offer you templates. And some these add-ons like Ultimate add-ons, Elements Kit, and also this Droid add-ons can also be categorized for those plugins which offer you to create websites that are beautiful to look, right? So there are some nice looking add-ons, sorry, templates. And the SAS line themes, if you've heard of, that's a very popular plugin, not plugin, it's a theme on ThemeForest. So it's also by the Droid themes. Okay, and when I just used those widgets, I got to know that, and it's very amazing. It's very fully responsive. The widgets are quite responsive, whether it's device or it's desktop. You can build anything in your website. Okay, and there are some templates that you can see right here. These kind of templates you can use in your pages, and there's some powerful and versatile controls, so you can control like everything from Elementor itself. And there's some unlimited section nesting, so like section within section, you can nest sections inside the sections. Okay, and its loading speed is quite fast. Most say it, but you have to actually look at your pages, your DOM size, because it also affects. So if you will use more and more complicated stuff or widgets in your page, then definitely your page will load much slower, and you can experience no fast loading time. So at the same time, you also have to look at your pages, what you're creating, because it affects most in case of speed, and also your hosting also affects your loading speed. So if you will create a website on shared hosting or a low machine VPS or something, then you can also face some issues with the speed. So it's also recommended to work upon your hosting and also work upon your page or images, so, or the elements you can say, so you have better speed ultimately, eventually, right? So it's blazing fast experience, on demand asset loading time. So with on demand asset loading time, it means that the widgets are optimized so Droid Elementor add-ons functions across all websites seamlessly, and you can build web pages with widgets, and that's sufficed. Okay, then you have some advanced tabs. This is the widget itself. Okay, and you also have header and footer builder. You can build header and footers with this plugin, like in Elements Kit, Master Add-ons. So you can also build header and footer with this plugin, Droid. Okay, and then we have some advanced animations that you can use. This is the widget itself also. So let's quickly dive into my Elementor and let's see what you can do. Okay, here I've installed the plugin on my website, and here you can see all the widgets are very well categorized in Droid add-ons. Okay, you can see them, and there's Droid Pro that lists all the Pro widgets, okay, nested inside the category. So let's see how they look. So let's drop the card widget, so you can see the kind of card widget they have. There are some couple of styles that you can change. So if you're creating a static websites, like a website where you don't pull data from ACF or metadata, then you can utilize these widgets. But I would recommend to use this plugin on a website where you're using custom fields and all, because it didn't support custom fields, and that's very sad, because if you go this card, you can see the title doesn't support dynamic tags. Okay, so you have to actually put the value here by editing this card. Okay, so you cannot use this widget probably on your single page layout, on your template. Okay, because sadly they don't support. You can not utilize the content from the post, and you have to write it each time you use the widget. So that's very basic thing, but you also need to know about this because this matters a lot. Okay, and then also we have the section link. You will find this in almost all the widgets to enable a link for a section, for the entire section. So even if you use this heading widget, you can find the section link. Okay, this Droid thing, and also you can find this Droid effects, this floating effects you can find. Okay, so this also by Droid plugins, and the CSS effects, CSS transformations, right, and this custom CSS. So these are the basic things you get. Okay, all these for your widgets. And one also thing I noticed in this plugin is that you can duplicate any of your page by just editing on the backend. Let me show you how. So you can just quickly jump over to the website, click on the post, and here you can clone any page or post just by clicking on this Droid clone. Alternatively, you can install a different or separate plugin for that, but if it comes in this plugin, this is very amazing because you don't have to install another plugin for the same, right? Looks good. And let me show you some other widgets like this new sticker. Looks good. If you hover off on it, it will stop, right? Otherwise it will just go on like this. And there's some stylings like this. You can change the content from the content area, right? Again, this doesn't support dynamic text, as I said. And here you can see the theme member widget. This post grid I like the most. Let me show you this one, which is Theme Pro. Okay, we can search for it, I guess. This post, okay, this block and this post grid. So when you use block, it looks like this, and when you search for grid, so here it is. The two post grids actually, but both of them are from Droid plugin. Okay, let's see. So this is how it looks. You can change layouts, you can query it. Okay, you can change the order of the content inside each card, right? Then you can also show and hide, okay, some information like images, read mode button, so it's hidden. When I enable it, it's like this, right? And then you also have some other widgets. So sadly it didn't support some advanced features, but if you want to beautify websites, create websites faster, you want to utilize some widgets like sections for theme, sections for pricing, sections for alerts, anything, then you can use this plugin because it gives you enormous control and you can, create some beautiful websites. And if you want to use their templates, then it's very easy. You just find this icon right here on any of the page when your plugin installed, and when you click on it, you can find all the ready-made pages that you can import, right? So there are like 25 plus of templates, these ready-made templates that you can insert right away, right? So this looks very good and the UI is very impressive. So the credit I will give for this thing because all of their content is very UI friendly. So you can utilize for suppose you want to use timeline, you can import the template from here. For the timeline you want to use pricing section, you can import the pricing section from here, right? So this is how you can utilize this plugin, and it's very easy to use, and you can create some amazing websites with this because all of these widgets that are offered are gonna speed up your work process of creating the websites, and all those websites will be very design friendly, responsive, and it will look good, and you can change them anytime. Like you can change anything from without using some code. Everything can be changed from the Elementor itself, so it's very amazing. So if you like this video, please give a huge thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments and I will answer you. And if you have any suggestions for more tutorials, I will just go ahead with that too. And please subscribe because your support is very necessary. Till then, bye bye and have a wonderful day.